Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a book lover and you love to read story books, this video is for you guys because you will get access of thousands of story books totally free of cost, and you can read it and you can enjoy it guys. And on this website you will find adventurous, comedy, drama, family, horror, mysterious, all kind of book access totally free of cost. Even you can create your own storybook and you can sell it. So this video is gonna be very informative. So let's start the video. So firstly, we'll have to come to this website, MakeMyTale. After logged in, this kind of interface will come. Here you will have to create your story. So you will have to choose the age, for which age you are creating the story. Here you will have to choose the character, to the character, what kind of a story you have to create it. Suppose I'll choose fairy tale. Write the name of elephant and aim. Click generate my story. See, in 15 seconds, the whole story is ready. So this is so fascinating. And the images are gorgeous. Even you can make a book out of this story. Just click on make a book. And here you will have to click on create your own book. For this, you will have to buy their premium plan for $3 per month. This is so cheap because you will get unlimited access of this website. So let me show you what kind of a storybook you will be able to create it. Just you will have to create 4 stories, and in one book, you will be able to create 4 stories like this. Even you can sell it these storybooks and you can earn a lot of money. Even there are others options also available. Click on browse a story and here you will get thousands of free access of stories, whatever is created already. So you can read it, any story you want. Suppose I want family kind of a story. Click on that. See, there are thousands of free stories. So you can read it, any story you want. Just click on that story. And see, you can read it. You can read it totally free of cost with stunning images. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.